Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I have 5 tickets for you guys. We have a $10 high roller slots ticket. I've never scratched this ticket off, so I'm super excited about that. We have a $5 crosswords puzzle. You guys, I asked my husband to pick up some because I'm feeling like doing a crossword puzzle. So we're gonna do it today. I have one of the money stacks. You guys know how much I love these tickets. I have one of the $5 5X tickets, and then we got a $3 mega match ticket. Hubby was going to pick up a different ticket, but they didn't have it, so he decided on this ticket. We're going to go with the $3 ticket first, and look at what I got. I found myself a poker chip. I don't know if this is going to work, but it might. If you guys are not, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of our future videos. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up because it really does help our channel out a lot. And leave a comment down below on what you guys want to see next from us, like what kind of tickets or any ideas. We are open for everything. If you guys hear noise, I apologize. We still have puppies and they are being a little loud. And hubby is making supper right now. Also, make sure you follow us on all of our social medias. Everything will be linked in the bio, so check it out and go follow us. So what we need to do with this ticket is we need to match any of your symbols to any of the winning symbols, and we win that prize. If you reveal I gotta read this again. If you reveal 2 matching your symbols win the prize below one of the matching symbols. If you reveal 2 matching your symbols, okay, we're just gonna go with it. Here are the odds. It is a 1 in 3.52. Okay, oh, you guys. Okay, it's gonna scratch. It's gonna scratch. We just have to be we gotta have some muscles. Okay, so the winning symbols are a bell, a ladybug, and a bolt. Now oh, the puppies got out. They decided they wanted to go outside. Okay, so I don't know how we do this. Okay. This one's a little different. So we're just going to go with it. I don't understand if you reveal 2 matching your symbols. So if we reveal 2 of our symbols that are matching, you win the prize below one of your matching symbols. That's very weird. We're gonna have to look at this at the very end to make sure we did not get 2 of the matching ones either. Okay, so far we haven't done anything. Thank the Lord that Minnesota has where you can scan it, because Lord knows I would be throwing away a lot of winning tickets. Okay, I believe this is a losing ticket. I don't see a winner. I don't see a winner. I don't know if I like the chip or not, you guys. I don't know. Still up in the air. Okay, we got a $5 5X card. All we need to do is match one of the winning numbers with one of our numbers. We win that prize. If it's in the 2X, we get 2 times that prize. If we're in the 5X, we get 5 times that prize. If you get a star, you get $50 instantly. I think that's all you can do. Here are the odds for this ticket. It is 1 in 3.60. Hubby has been doing a lot of, what do you call it? He's been like putting everything down on a piece of paper, trying to figure out what we are winning the most on, and tracking. He's tracking it. And believe it or not, it's the 5X, right, hun?
Yeah, the 5X has been performing well the last time the bonus money helped out quite a bit.
Yeah. Okay, so the winning numbers are 18, 21, 11, and 22. And I am sorry, I apologize, you guys. I have been editing videos and I realized that I have been really messing up on words or numbers. I don't know what my problem is. And when I was messing up, I wasn't even sick, so I can't blame it on being sick. Okay. Well, holy heck, we got an 11. Lordy, lordy, lordy. What is going on with me? Okay. We got winning number 11 right there. Now, can we get a 2X? No 2X. Is there 2 on the 2X? There is. I should scan them while I'm filming to make sure I don't miss anything. I could possibly do that. Okay, 5X. I really been wanting to get a 5X. And it's not happening today. Okay, so we got an 11. Let's see what we got. And we got 5 buckaroos. 5 buckaroos, you guys. I am going to scan them since I have my phone right by me and it doesn't hurt. Maybe I won't. Minnesota Lottery's not happy. Yeah, we're just gonna wait.
I do all that at the end.
Okay, we're gonna move on to my favorite ticket. It is the money stacks, and you guys know, if you know, you know. You know I love these. All we need to do is get 2 money stacks and we win our money back. After that, each money stack just adds to the amount you can win. We wanna get 17 money stacks for that $100,000. Okay? Okay. Okay, not on this ticket though. But all we need is 2 money stacks. Ooh, and we got 1. That's why I love this ticket. This is why I love it, you guys, because they give it to you right away. So now all you need to do is get 1 more money stack and you get your money back. And then each stack of money, it just adds up. And that's what I like to see. That is what I like to see. Give me 1 more. Give me 1 more. It's not being nice, but we don't ever be mean to the ticket because sometimes it gives it to you at the very end. So you kind of have to talk nice to the tickets sometimes. But this ticket might just piss me off. Come on, give me. Oh, you guys. It just didn't want to see me be happy tonight. I was like, nope, not today, Billy. Okay, we got a crossword puzzle. Kind of regretting it at this point. I'm kind of like, what was I thinking? Okay, we're gonna move to a nickel because we want something a little bit smaller. This has a prize box, so we're gonna read to see what this is all about. It says match all 6 letters in the bonus word, right here. In the bonus word. win the prize shown in the prize box. So if we get this word, we get the prize box. If you complete a word in a winning combination contains a lock symbol, win double for that puzzle only. Okay. Oh, so here's the lock. So if we get this word, we get double. We get this one, okay. We need to get 3 words to get our money back. If we get 10, we get the $100,000, which you guys know me, that is what we're going for. We're always going for the big one. Okay, an A. An A. I know my husband was telling me that people do this in a weird way where they like scratch off all the letters and stuff. I can't do that. And then they look to see what they're missing. I can't. My brain is no. So we are just gonna do each one individually. And let me know in the comments, do you guys like crossword puzzles? Do you like watching people do them, or do you like doing them yourself? Let us know, because I personally am not a crossword puzzle person, but I was the one who told my husband that I wanted to get some because I wanted to try something different. When you do a lot of scratch offs, you kind of get bored. Or not really bored, but it's kind of like you just want to try something different sometimes. So here we are. Here we are. Anytime I get to one of them locks, I'm just gonna scratch it. Just gonna scratch it. And I'm sorry if you guys are watching this and you're like, Billy, scratch that A. If I don't see one of the letters, I apologize. I know that irritates me sometimes. But it just happens. We got us a P. A P. Ooh, we need a P's up there. Any more P's? Oh, policy. Come on. We need you. Because I feel like that prize box is gonna be nice. Ooh, a W. W. Feel like we're not even gonna get a W. Oh. I was wrong. We got 2. Okay, next one we have an L and a J. We're gonna do 2 letters at once. An L and a J. We got us an L. We got us an L. Ooh, we got a couple more L's. Hubby and I went to a graduation today. My cousin's son graduated. That was fun. It was at a park. Okay, we got a B and a K. BK. BK. That used to be my initials. Well, kinda. Okay, next one. We got a D and an I. DI. I feel like that I is really gonna help us out some. I feel like we should have a lot of I's and we don't. We need to get an E. We need an E. Did we get a D? Yeah, we did get a D. I see some D's around here. I felt like I saw another D around here, but I'm not seeing it. So what did we get? Oh, yep, here's the D. It wasn't in the area that I thought, but it's still there. We need an I. We have another L. We have an I here. We get an N. We have one word, and then a V. We have another word. Oh, Slowly but surely we're getting that word uncovered. Okay, we got a Y and a Z. A Y and a Z. Y. Oh, you guys, 2 more and we got that word. A Y and a Z. A Y and a Z. Whoopsie. Okay, we got a Z. We got a Y. Okay. Okay, we got another Y. Okay. Moving on. We got the E, you guys. We got the E and a Q. E and a Q. Now we just need a C. Now we just need, well, we kind of need a lot. So I shouldn't just say a C. What was the other one? A Q. Oakley dokley. Yeah, if we get a C, I feel like we're like, I mean, I'm gonna be making a lot of money. Okay, we got a V and a T. V and a T. I don't think we got one word. Did we get one word? We didn't even get one word yet. A V and a T. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This one's probably gonna be, oh, we got one word. We got one word right here. Now we need the T, okay. We got villa, an M and an, oh no, an N and an X. Okay. N and an X. Oh, we got 2 words. We need one more for our money back. Ooh, I'm not seeing any more words. An N. Oh, I think we did it. I think we got 3 words. Okay, we got any, nail, and villa. I think we got our money back. I'm gonna take that as a win. Oh, we got an X. We got a T. Oh wait, hold on. We got 4 words. I think we got $10. We got a T. I think we got $10. I'm gonna take that as a $10 winner, you guys. If I'm wrong, hubby will tell me when he scratches it or scans it. Okay, we're gonna move on to the $10 high roller. I don't remember talking to my husband about this ticket, so I don't know if we did talk about it or if he just saw it and thought it was fun, but let's see what we need to do. For this game right here, you need to reveal 3 identical symbols in a row and you win that prize. If you reveal one of these circly things, if you get 3 of them symbols in the same row, you win double the prize. And if you get the $sign, 3 of them in the same row, you get triple it. So let's start with this one. Nothing. Nada. Oh, let me show you guys the odds. Sorry. And the odds are 1 and 3.18. 1 and 3.18. Okay, nada. I have to say, I'm really liking this chip for scratching this off. Hey, it's not bad. I feel like after I wear it in some, it's going to be like the best chip in the world. Hubby just gave me the eye. What is that all about? What was that?
Did you wear it in?
He's making fun of me, people. Okay, we got us a moon. Oh, Nikes. Okay, we got a bell. You know what? Like, they can't even give you, like, we're not even gonna go there. Okay, a nugget. And that's it. A bell. Ooh, if we had 3 of them, we would have got double. Coin. I feel like this is hard. Holy. Like, they are really playing hard to get. Holy people. Holy moly. Okay, we got a prize up here. Oh my goodness. If you guys could just smell what hubby is cooking up for me right now, you guys would be jealous. If you reveal a chip, I believe it is, you win $25 instantly. We just want a chip. Give us a chip. Give me a chip. And it said no. It said no. Okay, for this, we just need to match the winning numbers with our numbers, and we will be rich. Now, we got 2 of my favorite numbers, 19 and 22. Come on now. Come on. 29. Oh, did you guys see that too? That would have been $10,000 at least. 11, 13, 1 and 12. Was that a $10 winner? What was it?
Nothing.
Seriously?
They play separately if you read.
Oh my goodness. Ugh. You guys, hubby just scanned this and we didn't win anything. This is its own separate game, this is its own separate game, and this is its own. Well, I feel like a loser. Thank the Lord there's a hubby. Everyone needs to get themselves a hubby. You know how I was saying everyone needs to get themselves a hubby? Maybe you don't. Okay, we're at a 25. Hold on, where's the point of it that oh my gosh. I'm all flustered now, people. Okay, 21, 32, and 24, nothing. Here, all we need to do is, ooh, this is a little bit different. This is a little weird. We need to match your number to any of the winning numbers, win that prize. Reveal a 5x symbol, win 5 times, get a 10x, win 10 times. Okay, let's just scratch and see. 37, 29, 17, 9, and 13. Let's move that on up. Okay, first one is 11, 18, 26, 1, and 19. 25, 6, wait, hold on. No, I need a 9. Oop, there's a, no, shit. Okay, a 2, 35, and a 4. We got a 21, 14, 32, 7, and 24. You guys, that's a loser. That is a loser. I'm sure hubby will check it and let me know. But that means that we won. We had $28 in tickets and we only won $5. Not good, not great. But there's always a chance that we'll be able to win bigger next time. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can make me feel a little bit better today. Thank you guys, and you guys have a great night or day, life.